Oh, so I have a 4 million?
That's if you get that pack, and it's not that. Oh, never mind. You do have it. No freaking way.
How the fuck I get that jump? Oh, I'm already balling on you, nigga. Damn, nigga.
Okay. God. Oh, you still got 2.8. You good. I think you have to get a car.
I have to get a car.
Yeah, they taxing you, bro. I ain't gonna lie. They scammed you. Get the 100. Get the 81K. Get the 4-wheeler, bro. Yeah, that's just.
Bro, why the fuck I gotta spend all that money? What these niggas weird?
What? Spend between 3 mil.
Nah, these niggas tripping.
Oh, dang. Yeah, they scammed you. You thought you was rich, nigga. Oh my god, yo, they just scammed the mess out of you.
Damn.
That nigga thought he was gonna be rich. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, all the characters in the game is hideous, bro. That's why I just be wearing glasses and hats.
Oh my god.
Like, it's been like this since the game came out, bro. These niggas always been ugly, bro. God, yo, I never really just sat there and looked at these niggas. That nigga like a monster.
Oh!
Yo, what did he put, bro?
Bro, what? No way you niggas is this smart, bro. This nigga, bro. This nigga, bro.
You got guns?
Why you running from me? Why do you do that?
Cause you swung on him, nigga. Press L, hold L1.
Come here, boy!
Popping up.
You have the. Wait, L1, hold it.
There ain't none popping up.
Stop running, nigga.
Now I would've chased this nigga.
Come here, boy!
Oh, you one of them niggas who kill pedestrians for no reason. Okay. Bro, you have guns, bro. Just shoot them.
Why would I use guns?
Look what you got on, that's why. Look, don't even have no car. The police out there, you ain't gonna be able to leave.
I don't get no fuck, nigga. Yeah, give me your shit, nigga. Yeah.
Baby, send me X. Yeah.
Word? Nah, you dying.
Bro, what are you doing?
Take off fuck yourself. Fuck that
Making
bitch.
friends, that shit been on. Don't even take no chance on it.
That's the second fastest
I
motorcycle.
like my whip ladies.
Okay. This nigga, they running from you, bro.
Oh shit!
What are you doing?
Better not hit my shit either. Better not hit my shit. Go around, fuck, nigga. Go around.
You have no guns.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Yo!
See this is a gang street, bro. You're not supposed to threaten them. They're gang members. Jump, nigga, square.
Oh shit!
This nigga running into the wall. And his homeboy is trying to give you guns and you fighting the nigga. Bro, go to the green thing, Jordan. What are you?
I'm at the green shit, nigga. Oh.
No, you're not. That boy got guns, okay.
I get it wrong, nigga.
Do not shoot them, nigga.
Why this nigga over here? What the fuck going on right here? Hey, stop that shit, nigga. Yeah, stop that shit. Stop that shit. Yeah, fuck out. Yeah, get out your whip, nigga. Get out that bitch. Yeah, look at y'all niggas panicking. Yeah, oh my god, yeah. Don't fuck with my whip, nigga. Yeah.
Enter a vehicle.
Yeah. Where you going?
Nigga, can you finish the tutorial, bro?
Look at this nigga.
Fuck me.
Where's it? Yeah.
Bro, finish the tutorial, bro.
Oh my god. I'm about to kill that nigga. Hey,
Enter a vehicle.
what's wrong with you, nigga?
Oh my god, this nigga, man. He not even dead.
You don't need to be dead.
Cause the clubhouse, bro. It's kind of far, and you gonna get fucking distracted trying to kill niggas.
You on my
Huh? What the fuck?
You gonna hit this nigga. You on my street.
Nigga in a private session, beating up civilians. You going the wrong way.
Hey, nigga. Get there, nigga.
Oh my gosh, yo. I ain't never seen trash.
This shit tough. Okay. Alright, bro.
Bro, oh my god. When you get on the highway, start flying on it.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Hey, nigga. What's wrong with your ass, nigga? Yeah, you better get on somewhere, nigga. Before you get sniped, nigga. Yeah. Why the fuck would you just stop? Come on, dog. Oh.
Yes.
Fuck, bro.
Bro, I told you that got the turns, bro. Why are you speeding? Irvin is gonna keep doing that, bro. Look at this. Oh man, you should have got the car, bro.
What y'all doing now?
Okay. They chilling, bro. They can't.
What y'all doing out here? Enjoying the sun, enjoying the...
They old, bro. They don't have nothing else to do.
Smoking cigarettes, nigga? What the hell? Ain't my fault. Got your fucking hand.
Nah, you knocked it out his head. Oh,
That shit up, nigga. Yeah, and I'm about to, yeah. Yeah, watch this shit. Better get this step in, nigga. Better get this step in, nigga. Fuck him up here, nigga. Oh, word.
all right.
How do you
Nice.
weave? How do you weave?
Hold L2 to lock them, and then press square on
Nah, fuck this nigga.
computer on your
Yeah,
map.
up in the hat. Yes, sir. Let's get to it.
No, you're not, boy. You finna just start your business and hire some people. That's all you finna do. Right there, behind you. That green car. Yeah. Nigga. Okay. That's literally how you get your business started, and you want to destroy it. Okay. That boy in a session now. I'm about to pull up on you, bro. And you're killing some nice. Find the old man. Nice. Invite me, bro.
How you dodge, bruh?
I said hold L2 to lock on, and when he swing, press square. You gotta time it though.
Swing pussy ass nigga. Oh my god.
Oh, you fucking suck.
Swing pussy ass nigga. Two pussy ass nigga. And we gonna stomp on your shit, nigga.
I want to go out, yeah, I gotta get to work. And to see me in the trap, you can see me with the
What's up
bird.
there,
You can
pussy
see
ass
me with the
nigga?
bird.
What's up there, bitch?
What's not
What's
heard?
up? What's up, pussy ass nigga? What, nigga? What's up there? Do something. Yeah, what's up? We can get to it, nigga. Come on. What's up?
Yo,
What's up?
dude,
What's up?
you know if you keep killing civilians, it's gonna make your player go like insane.
How the fuck gonna do that?
Like your mental state is gonna be insane, and then whoever kills you, they get extra XP for killing you, bro.
What the? Alright, bro, I
Yeah,
surrender, bro. I surrender.
you nigga, they not gonna they gonna kill you, bro. They not finna arrest you.
Nigga, I didn't even do anything.
You, bro, you had the cops on you and you went to the military base, bro.
This nigga gonna have to die. The fuck that man. Who the fuck is this?
Okay, okay, okay. Okay.